All right, let's take a look at our weekend birthdays, and we're going to kick it off with Angel Ortiz Rice, who's now 8 years old in Pittsburgh, with love from Mom, Timmy, and family and friends. Going to have a party in Pittsburgh. Conlin Epler, celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Connor is in Columbus, Kansas. Happy birthday, Conlin. Hunter Schultz, turning the big 1-0 this year. What do we got there? A little bunny? Aw, that's a great picture there. Hunter in Crestline. And also in Crestline, we got a couple of neighbors celebrating this morning. Caitlin Degonia. Caitlin, the award-winning Caitlin Degonia, is 12 years old this year. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. And welcome to the teenage years, Ethan Sutterby. 13 years old for Ethan. Happy birthday. And the Loftmiller twins will be entering Pittsburgh High School this coming fall. Ava and Cannon Loftmiller are 14 years old this year. It's a very nice picture of the two of them. Happy birthday. Nicole Joy, turning 17 years old this year in Chanute. Birthday love coming from Mom and Dad Johnson with a special message that says, "We love you to the moon and back." What a cool photo. Neat. I like that. Happy 17th, Nicole. And it's time to celebrate the big 4-0 with an amazing throwback pick. The sailor dress. Love it, love it, love it. Allison Sparks. The picture we all wanted to hide. No, I'm glad we didn't, because that is awesome. Love it, Allison. Allison is celebrating in Baxter Springs this weekend. And turning 42, Jill Worsler. Happy birthday, Jill. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. Richard Freeman definitely has his hands full. What a wonderful picture there with the family. Richard is 83 years old, celebrating in Columbus. Definitely a reason to smile, all those kids. And turning 95 this year, looking lovely as ever, Miss Lavita Smith in Nevada, Missouri. Happy birthday, Miss Lavita, 95 years old. Down in Riverton, Glenda Ragland, turning another year wiser. Looking great there, Glenda. Happy birthday. And we've got a golden anniversary to celebrate tomorrow. What a lovely throwback wedding picture for the Ogles in Fredonia. Dennis and Peggy are celebrating 50 years of wedded bliss. I love that dress, beautiful dress there. Golden anniversary is tomorrow. And they celebrated their golden anniversary a few years back. The Flinikins in Jasper, Missouri are celebrating 57 years together. Lovely picture of Dale and Carolyle Flanagan in Jasper, Missouri. All right, also on our birthday list, we've got Marlene Steerwalt celebrating number 52 today. Jeff Brittle is 54 down in Miami. And last but certainly not least, Mr. Don Reeder in Redfield, Kansas. Happy birthday. If you have a birthday